Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to do something a little bit healthier than usual. I baked some chicken legs, I have some broccoli and a baked potato, guys, and some ice water. Let's get this video started. I'm also going to be using this wooden spoon that subscriber Tiffany gave me. Just try it out. Try the broccoli first. I got this broccoli, it's organic at Trader Joe's. It's really good. So in today's video, we're going to talk about two topics: crystals and Botox. All right, let's start with the Botox first. Let me try this baked potato. It's good. So Botox. So first let me try this chicken leg. I baked it at 425 degrees for a little over 45 minutes. So it looks like. And let's try it out. Oh, hot. Good. So what I did with this, I just put olive oil over it, and I put salt, pepper, garlic powder, and a little bit of the 21 seasoning from Trader Joe's. I also have some barbecue sauce I might add as well. Now this is the Kinder's organic mild barbecue sauce right there. I got 5 chicken legs, so I was just going to meal prep a couple of meals for my lunch and dinner for the next week. Today for lunch at work, I had a veggie burger and broccoli. Looks like this broccoli right here. So, all right, guys, Botox. So recently, my brother, he got Botox on his face. He sent me a before and after picture. He looked really good. I think he did 3 things, and it cost $1,000. But you can tell a really big difference. I think he had some lines on his forehead, and before the picture, he had lines on his forehead, and after they're gone. He had a little bit of baggy eyes right here before, and then after the picture, they're gone, or very little. And then also his cheeks were a little bit puffy right here, and it's the after picture is completely gone. So it was that was $1,000. And I was telling my coworker about that. I was like, I'm thinking about getting Botox. I'm not sure. But you'll see my face is kind of like baggy or saggy or not firm, and I'm thinking it's because what I'm eating, because honestly this last week I ate really bad. That's why I'm trying to eat healthy this week. But I might check it out. Me and my friend, me and a coworker might check it out tomorrow night after work. That should be fun. All right, let's try this chicken leg with barbecue sauce. That's good. Really good. So yeah, that's the story on Botox. That's a little topic. If you guys ever had Botox, let me know. Do you recommend it? My brother's been doing it for years. He's really young. I think he's 10 years younger than me. And he's pretty young. He said he got really tired of his baggy eyes, so he was just gonna like he didn't care if he was going to be in depth or not. He's just going to get it done. He's like, I don't care. I'm going to get it done. I thought it was kind of funny. All right, next subject, crystals. I got this smoky quartz crystal on eBay for 20 bucks. I actually won the bid. Actually, I put $200 by mistake. But for some reason, I won the bid for 20 bucks. I was just going to like, okay, I'll just do 20 bucks for this crystal. It was going for like 5 or 7. Oh, fine. It's really pretty. It's really big. I really like it. So I'm trying to use this crystal to clear any negative energy, any like negative blocks regarding like self-esteem, dating, going out more, my social anxiety, that type of stuff. So I decided to take a break from dating. I just have a lot of anxiety about it right now, and I don't want to date right now. I want to work on myself right now. And I want to use crystals to help me and heal me. So that's why I got that crystal. So, if you guys don't know anything about crystals, it's good to clear the energy. I usually just draw the chakra symbol, Reiki symbol on the crystal. Clear the energy with intention. You can also clear the energy by just saying crystal. You know, just clear any negative energy that you have, and then say your intention. So my new intention is, you know, you can say to be successful, to get more money, to have a good business, to have a lot of prosperity. You can also say to reduce any negative thoughts about dating, or just to reduce all negative thoughts whatsoever. And you just hold it. I usually hold it in both hands, and you kind of feel the energy of the crystal. It's just going to work with your body, and it's just going to heal your body. And so I've been working this for a couple of days. I think it's helping. So like I said, I'm taking a little bit of break from dating, and I don't really feel comfortable dating right now. I have a lot of anxiety about it, so I think I made the right decision. We'll see what happens. Yeah, crystals are very healing, guys. You should check them out. They can heal you. Also, I've been scripting a lot these days and actually writing my thoughts down, and just scripting my life and how I want it to be. You know, I just want to have a better life and have less anxiety on a daily basis. And I don't want to do drugs to reduce my anxiety. I just want to just heal it naturally. This is a great healthy meal. It's really good. These chicken legs are really big, actually. I think one is enough, but I'll eat two for you guys. But I'm not used to these big chicken legs, but I got these at Trader Joe's, so. It's good. So today's Monday night. I'm off my cashier job, which is really nice. They don't have my schedule. Oh, guess what, guys? Guess what? I found out my schedule for Thanksgiving. I have to work 4 p.m. to midnight. Can you believe that? And I told them clearly I'm not available until after 10. But they scheduled every single person on Thanksgiving, like every single person. even if that cashier or employee's unavailable on Thursdays, because Thanksgiving's on a Thursday, they'll schedule you. Even if you can't work after 4 or 5, they'll schedule you till midnight. It's just but I did hear from another cashier, if you tell them you can't work it because of your availability, they'll take you off. But I'll work it. It's just one day, but it's going to be really tough the next day to go to work after working until midnight, because usually when I work till 11, I don't go to bed till 1 a.m. So that's going to be difficult. That's going to be really difficult. But I don't know. I figure it's just one day. My schedule's right the way it is right now. I guess we're going to close at midnight from now on. It's going to be weird. Until Christmas. I was actually really tired last week. I think I ate a lot of bad food, so hopefully this week I'll have more energy. I'm gonna eat really healthy. Well, God, that was amazing. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Peace.